What's the meaning of carbuncle? Carbuncle. Carbuncle.
Carbuncle. Carbuncle. Carbuncle is a medical condition characterized by a cluster of boils that are typically caused by a bacterial infection. The affected area becomes red, swollen, and painful, and pus may drain from the site. If left untreated, the infection can spread to other parts of the body and lead to serious complications. Treatment usually involves antibiotics and drainage of the abscesses. In rare cases, surgery may be necessary. It is important to seek medical attention promptly if you suspect you have a carbuncle.